Thank you for visiting the Lawrence team. If you have any questions, please call us at 423-838-5011. We are here to help with all your real estate needs. This home has been undated. As you enter the home, you will be amazed at the amount of living space. The living area opens to a very spacious kitchen, 4 bedrooms, an eat-in kitchen, a laundry room, and 2 full bathrooms. Space is not a problem in this home. Close to downtown and convenient to I-24. Call today and view this home.